Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set lock screen password in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to set lock screen password in iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to use iqoo mobile lock screen password setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to set lock screen password, you want to use iqoo mobile password security settings. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here, open your phone security setting. After turning phone security setting friends, find my device setting you want to use. So you can on security update, you can check screen lock setting friends. We will click here. You want to set pattern, pin and password, so you can use pattern, pin and password setting in iqoo mobile. So friends, select your password type. You want to unlock your iqoo mobile with pattern and pin and password, so you can use it. Friends, I will set here pattern lock. I will draw pattern for lock screen. Next option, click here, draw your pattern. Remember your password. If you forget your password, you will have to erase all data in iqoo mobile. So friends, off your screen. And friends, when you will on your screen, so friends, draw pattern and you can unlock your iqoo mobile. So like that friends, you can use lock screen password setting. You can set password on lock screen, and you want to change friends your lock screen password. You want to set new password on your lock screen. You want to remove pattern lock, so you can remove pattern lock, and you can set new password on your lock screen. Open your device phone security setting, open your device phone screen lock setting, draw pattern. Friends, now I will use pin lock password, and remember your password. If you forget your password, you will have to erase all data. Confirm. After confirm friends, lock your screen, and you want to unlock your iqoo mobile, so you can unlock your iqoo mobile with pin password 1234. Phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use lock screen password setting. You can set password on lock screen, and you can change password on lock screen in your iqoo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use any password on lock screen, you want to remove lock screen password. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here, open your phone password and security setting, open your phone screen lock setting, enter your password. After enter password friends, click a swipe option, remove option, and friends, you can check lock screen password will remove. You want to unlock your iqoo mobile, you can unlock iqoo mobile with swipe lock. Swipe here, phone will unlock without password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.